short, all my sweet dear friends. I can't forget my ways. Please bury me in God's dear earth. Farewell to foam and sails. No more to wander time's great path, but home at last in Wales. We all must take the toils of life, our recollections fade.